Yeah, good morning, everyone, and trust you are doing well. You are welcome to this week outlook. So, on this watch list is what we'll be looking out for this week. From GBP card down to NZDCHF, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 9 pairs in total to watch. So, I would like to go into it so quickly now. So let's start with GBP card. Okay, so looking at it from the daily time frame, we can see that GBP card is bullish. However, if you go to H4, you can see the trend is bearish. We can see this bearish trend here on H4. So, okay. So here on H4, we have our trend line, our downtrend line, which are potential entry for GBP card. So what are we expecting, or what should we be expecting here on GEP card? One, we should expect price reaction on this other downtrend line. Let's say we see price come down a little, then move to retest that downtrend line, then we should be expecting something like this. Okay, very good. So quickly, this is our likely possible move for GBP card. But then, market is market. We only follow the market and see what it will bring to us. So, if the market keeps moving like this, we wait for our reaction to take our entry on GEP card. Okay, so let's move to the next one on the list. We have GBP USD, GBP USD. Going from the daily time frame, let's start from the daily time frame on GBP USD. GBP USD should be one of the pair I'm most interested about. Very interesting. We can see the trend line, the trend on GBP USD daily time frame is still bearish. However, the movement here shows like a kind of retracement movement, trying to retest that trend line. So I'll be much more interested in taking the buys for the retracement, because the retracement might last even for the whole of this week. So I'm interested in the buys too, not only waiting for the sales. Since this is the daily time frame, let's go to H4. So here on H4, we can move from here till we touch here. So we should expect movements like this up to this point. So how do we take our buys now? You are interested in the buys too. So potential entries for the buy trade. Okay, you have something like this. Very good. So down to H1. So if we get a reaction on this uptrend line, we can take our buy and continue with the retracement up to the major downtrend line. But then, as I said earlier, I'm very interested in this buy trade. So we can see GBP move in this channel throughout this week. So now the market is already coming down. Let's see how it goes before New York session. Maybe possibly we will get our entry on New York session, then we can buy from this point up to that uptrend line. So we should be expecting something like this. Okay, very good. That is that about GBP very clear and good to go. Let's move to the next one quickly. Then USD CHF, USD CHF, USD CHF, USD CHF, USD CHF. USD CHF is on a strong bullish trend too. You can see, however, it's still in the middle of the trend. So it's still in the middle of the trend. We are expecting it to come down as far as this, yeah, something like this, before moving up, something like that. So what is my interest on USD CHF? My interest for this USD CHF now is the sell. I want to catch the retracement. So I have my downtrend line here. A downtrend line here. So let's see how it goes. So this movement up here, then a retest, third touch on this downtrend line, then we can have it. Very good, something like this. Then we can have this on USD CHF. Can have that on USD CHF, and so far so good. It's already moving well. So let's see how it plays out during the New York session. Moves up, get a reaction around this area, then we take our sell. I believe that is clear enough too on USD CHF. Clear enough too on USD CHF. Okay, next is our NZD USD. The daily time frame first. So I'll take it down from the daily time frame. Okay, price already reacted to that trend line on the daily time frame, but we are not sure if it will hold. However, what are we interested in? Okay, I guess we missed that drop from that zone, but I'm interested in the buys too as well. I'm interested in the buys. So we have this. You can have this, something like this self. As a matter of fact, NZD USD self is kind of ready to buy from my own bias, my point of view right now. So I'm interested in buying it at this point. Yeah, very well. Interested in this trade. This is ready and it's a reasonable risk from my hand. Yeah. So quickly, let's move to the next one. You have GBP AUD. Oh, cool. Price is at the support level. We can see the support level. Yeah, it's at the support level. However, you can still see this downtrend line. Price already reacted to the downtrend line, is already coming down. So this trend line is valid until it breaks out this resistance up here. Okay, so until you see price breaks above this, something like this, yeah, okay, breakout, retest. So until you see something like this downtrend line is still valid, this downtrend on H4 is still valid. So we can expect price to even break this support level and continue its downward movement. Something like this. Something like this. So you can still expect price to keep going down. So we have two resistance here now for price. We have this support level and this resistance level here. So we need patience. Patience is required for this particular pair, GBP. So the breakout, you'll be watching the breakout. Is either it breaks to the upside or the downside. Whichever it breaks out to, wait for the retest and take our entry. This is a very nice trade and very cool one. So that is that on GBP/AUD2. Breaks out of either the support or the resistance, then the retest, we take our trade. Next is Euro JPY. Euro JPY is both bullish and bearish. So taking it from H4. Okay, price already reacted here. Okay. Okay. What do we do here? I would like to remove this from my watch list. It's not a very clear setup. Yeah. So next is GBP/NZD. GBP/NZD to take it from the daily. Okay. Price is at a support level, but yet to be rejected to the upside. So what do we do? We should be expecting here. What should we be expecting here too? This downtrend line is valid. This is looking exactly like GBP/AUD. So the resistance here and the support also, and the support level here. The resistance and the support. Breakout of either of the two decides where you would be taking our position. But I'm much more interested in the buy. If this D1 candle should close as a bullish rejection, then I'll be interested in the buy. Whichever the breakout is, this D1 will decide. So for today, GBP/NZD is indecisive. So let's see how it closes today. So by tomorrow, we decide on what to do with GBP/NZD. So NZD card from daily time frame, NZD card is bearish. Yeah, price has tested the downtrend line itself. We're already experiencing the drop from that point. That was very quick. That was very quick, very quick. Okay, let's see if we can take the buy. Okay, but I'm interested in the sales. I guess it's ready to sell itself. Considering this resistance, yeah, this zone still a strong resistance level, strong resistance point, and price already rejected it. So I'm interested in selling NZD card right away. Right now. Put it here. Right now. Right now, NZD card is ready to sell too. In my point of view, NZD card is ready. Then NZD CHF from daily. Let's see what we have. Okay, there's a clear breakout of the downtrend line here from the NZD CHF. So it looks like this downtrend is no longer valid. You should see that clearly. Okay, very good. This downtrend line is no longer valid. A clear and a breakout to the upside, then a kind of retest. These two, in my opinion, is ready to buy too. So I can take my buy trade from here too as well. This is ready too. Very ready. Okay. And this is that about NZD-CHF. Then back to our GBP card where we started with. So let me take it to watch list. Euro JPY is out. So now we have GBP card, GBP USD, USD CHF, NZD USD, GBP AUD, and that's it. So a quick recap on it. What is our expectation here? A drop from here, then we buy to the second resistance level for GBP card. GBP USD2, a drop to this uptrend line, then we buy. But now we are watching NZD CHF2, a buy to that level, then we sell. So let me put it there.
Yeah, full stop. Like full stop. Not long late.
So this is this for that, then NZD USD. Ready if you can take the risk. GPAUD breakout of either of the zone, the resistance or the support. Okay, and here too, we are waiting for the daily candle close of NZD to decide our movement on NZD, on GBP NZD, then NZD card. Okay, ready to sell too. Ready to sell too for NZD card. Okay, and that's that. Then NZD CHF ready to buy. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. That's all.